Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at a multi-pin, and we're not going to take a look at the multi-pin I currently have in my hand. I just got this one out to sort of talk about the one we are going to look at. We're going to look at the BIC 4-color 3+1 multi-pin / pencil, and you got to kind of give BIC some credit, because this is the first multi-pen I ever got my hands on, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever. You had 4 pins in one little package, and you had the little mechanisms that made the pins come out, and you have all that other stuff, and it was just a neat moment that I remembered, and I wanted to take a look at this one. Now, the BIC 4-color pins plus pencil, it's not super expensive. They're like a couple of bucks, like $3 or $4. You can get them on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. And the thing is, this is a disposable multi-pen, and I'm assuming this is the multi-pen / multi-pencil equivalent, or the multi-pen with a pencil equivalent of this. And it's like, I have a sentimental place in my heart for this pen, but it's just, all the multi-pens are better than this one. Well, not all of them. There are a few that might be worse, but I mean, like, this is just, I don't know. It has a lot of nostalgia for me, but I also don't really want to write with one on a daily basis. So I'm not super hopeful for this one, but I absolutely wanted to check it out and see what they did with the pencil. And if you want to check one out, even if it's just for nostalgia purposes, I mean, it's only a couple of bucks. I mean, it's kind of just almost worth it. And I mean, who knows? If you want, you could just buy like a box of 12 of these for like $10 and pass them out. Sort of spread multi-pins to the next generation. Alright, so let's compare. We got, it's a little bit longer than the original one. And they add on an eraser with a plastic cover that I can't get off. Oh, there we go. They had a plastic cover. One kind of cool thing is they give you a kind of a nifty pack of erasers and leads. I like that they're together, because you have this whole little package and you can just stick this in your pen bag or your pen case and not have to worry about it. Not have to worry about keeping them together. Alright, so this is the BIC 4-color 3+1. Alright. Actually, for all of my bad-mouthing this one, this wrote pretty well. It wrote pretty nicely. It's like a 1mm ballpoint. The pen is 0.7mm. I want to say, yeah, it's 0.7mm. So, let's see, yeah. 3-color inks and a 0.7mm pencil, black, blue, red, and that, and it has instructions on how to do whatever you want to do. Alright, so that actually wrote much better than I was expecting. So we have BIC 4-color 3+1. I should badmouth pens more often. This wrote pretty good too. BIC 4-color 3+1. Again, not bad. Alright, so let's try the pencil. So this is the pencil. So I'm assuming we push it down on this and it comes out. Pretty much like you'd expect. Alright. So we have the, slide this up, BIC 4-color 3+1. Alright. Wow. I kind of feel like I owe an apology to the BIC 4-color 3+1 pen now. Because, I mean, like, I talked some trash about its younger brother, or its older brother, sorry. Man. Tell you what, it feels like a serious improvement. That's the same, pretty much. Well, let me know what y'all think. You think I unfairly talked trash about this pen in advance? I kind of think I did. Anyway, let me know what you think. If there's any other pens you think I should check out, or any other kind of goodies, let me know in the comments. And I'll include a link for this in the description if you want to check it out. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.